Hello people, it is Alex, and right now I'm at a communal bonfire. Despite it not being November 5th yet, it's November 4th, but whatever. Anyways, look at that thing. Is it so orange even though the video shows it being white? Look at all of those! Wow, that is great. That is actually very great. A firework just went off on the ground and now there's a lot of smoke everywhere. The moon ain't visible tonight. Like, I'm not singing that Bruno Mars song. High! They're extremely high, those ones. Right, aren't they? Another shot at the fire. I really don't know what to do anymore. We're leaving for now, but since I don't know what to put in the video, it is extremely dark, and I do not like the fact that it is. Hey, there's a puddle, pretty large one, two pretty large ones, I guess three here, I don't know. Anyway, there's the thing there. By the way, we're on a cricket field, so yeah, bye.